To change the address on your UK driving license, there are two methods, online and offline, but there is one important thing you need to know. If you do not have a surname, then you cannot apply online, and the only option left for you is the offline method. First, you need to get an application form from the post office, which is completely free, and you should ask for the D1 form if you have a car or motorcycle license, or the D2 form if you have a bus or lorry license, although in most cases people will need the D1 form. Once you have the form, you do not need to fill the entire document, you only need to fill a few important sections. In section 1, you simply cross against the option that says, to change my address on my license, and then in section 2, you need to fill in all your personal details carefully, including your new address, your old address, your date of birth, your surname, first name, and the date you came to the UK. After that, you do not need to do anything in the section 3, and you should not need to paste your photo as well, so just leave that part completely blank. Then move to the next page and go to section 7 at the bottom, where you need to enter today's date and add your signature, and now your form is fully completed. Changing your address on your driving license is completely free, so you do not have to pay any fee for the application itself, but once your form is ready, you need to place your filled D1 form along with your original driving license inside an envelope, seal it properly by lightly wetting the flap, or simply licking it if needed, write the postcode SA991BN on the front, and submit it at the post office, which will usually cost you around £1.25. After submitting your application, it can take up to 4 weeks to receive your updated driving license, although in many cases, including mine, it arrives much faster, sometimes within around 15 days. Hope this helped, thanks for watching.